All right, in my risotto video, you saw me use Aunt Vicky's bone broth, and today she's going to demonstrate how she makes it.
Hello, hello. So this year I was taught how to make bone broth, and we use it for many things. I love it. So the good thing about using the Insta Pot is you can use frozen chicken or defrosted. Put your chicken in. And then you got some celery. Just throw that in. Got some carrots. Throw that in. Kind of can put anything you want. And then some onions. Lift this guy up and stuff those onions underneath. Uncle Brian ate an apple this morning, so I took the core. Throw that on in there. I like to put 4 garlics. I threw in some turmeric, fresh turmeric, just right in there. Now if you're going to put turmeric, you always want to put pepper, because that will activate the turmeric. So I put some peppercorns in there. And some nice chicken feet. I like to put about 3 in there. That will give the bone broth some nice collagen. All right, we just put the chicken feet in there. So I like to put some seasonings, fresh rosemary, parsley I had in the refrigerator. And then I put some astragalus sticks. These have some medical benefits along with some reishi mushrooms. I'm not a doctor, so I can't tell you those medical benefits. You can look those up. And then I like to put 3 tablespoons, 1, 2, 3 of apple cider vinegar. And that's going to draw all that stuff out of that bone. And then we add the water all the way up, whoops, to the max line. As you can see on the Insta Pot, the max line. So we're going to fill this up. Almost there. A little bit more water. Look how beautiful that looks. All those fresh herbs in there. And then we're going to put our Insta Pot. Put our Insta Pot cover on. Close it. Make sure it's on sealing. You're going to go to Okay, so you're going to put manual, and it should be 240. That gives you the 4 hours, and you just let that go. Okay, so 4 hours is up. I do not make it go to venting. I just let it sit on its own. So we're just going to open it up, and this is what you'll have. Okay, so we'll take this out. Come on over here. We're going to strain everything. Once we strain everything, I take all the leftovers, I put them into the woods. I take my liquid, and I bought these little cubes. They're 1 cup. You fill that up, put it in the freezer, and freeze it. Perfect. And then just take all your meat out and all your stuff. And if you actually took the chicken bones, you would be able to bend it and totally just break it. It's super soft. That's what you want. Now some people will take this chicken and make chicken salad or whatever. I find it really has no flavor, so usually I will use a rotisserie chicken that I've already ate, or Thanksgiving I use my turkeys. And then we're just going to drain this. Smells good. Do it again. Here's your little chicken feet.
Mmm.
And then the woods and the wild animals love that. And then when this cools a little bit, I will fill up my trays and then Tomorrow, take them out, put them in Ziploc bags, and I have 1 cup bone broth for anything that I need. That's it.
And that is Aunt Vicky's bone broth.